How to make activated charcoal face mask for skin tightening at home. A charcoal mask is readily available in the market. This mask is expensive, but there are many amazing beauty benefits of it. For loose or sagging skin, the mask works wonder. But, all of you cannot afford to get it. The good news for you is that you can make this mask easily at home. In today's video, I am going to share with you the recipe to make homemade activated charcoal face mask to make your skin clear, spotless, fair and tight. Homemade charcoal mask to get tight and clear skin. To make a natural charcoal face mask at home, the ingredients you need for this remedy are: Ingredients: activated charcoal powder, 1 tsp. Coconut milk, 2 tbsp. Nutmeg powder, 1/4 dsp. Turmeric powder, 1/4 dsp. Aloe vera gel / milk / rose water. Procedure: take the coal and soak it in rose water. Keep the coal soaked in rose water for 2 days. Cook the mix after 2 days, and get dried coal. Next, grind the coal to get a fine powder. After this, strain this coal powder. Take a bowl, and in it, add 2 tbsp of coconut milk. Next, add 1 tsp of charcoal powder. After this, add 1/4 tsp of nutmeg powder. Next, add 1/4 tsp of turmeric powder. After this, add aloe vera gel, and make a smooth mix. For dry skin, use milk, and for oily skin, use rose water to make a mixture. Now, you will get the best activated charcoal face mask ready for use to tighten your skin. How to use: apply the mask to your face. After this, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe it off and then wash your face with cold water. You may use it once a week. This homemade activated charcoal face mask is easy to make and apply. It naturally tightens your skin. Make and use it to have beautiful skin.